Hi, I'm Jeff Butler, founder of Repipe Specialists, the nation's largest repipe company. For over 30 years, we've perfected our one-stop repipe process across nearly 100,000 projects all across the country, involving domestic water systems, drain waste and vent systems, and fire suppression systems in garden-style apartments and condos, as well as high-rise communities. At Repipe Specialists, we've created a proprietary repiping system designed specifically for occupied multifamily buildings. Occupied multifamily projects present a unique set of challenges, as they often have hundreds of units and individual residents. It's crucial to have a thoroughly tested and systematic approach to the entire process. In fact, the success of an occupied multifamily repipe project is almost entirely dictated by the work done before the first pipes are replaced. Without this preparation, delays and chaos during the project are inevitable. A delay in one unit affects the next unit, then the next unit, and so on. That's how minor errors spiral into massive delays and costly overruns. But with our one-stop repipe process, we've mastered the multifamily repipe system. We anticipate, prepare, and solve all the minor issues before they begin to derail any part of the project. This allows us to take what would normally be an extremely complicated and frustrating major construction project and turn it into an organized series of minor, individual unit plumbing upgrades. Our multifamily one-stop repipe process is so efficient and effective, our project timelines are often less than half that of most other plumbing or general contracting companies. The key to our process focuses on handling each resident and unit individually, replacing each unit's pipes in just one day. In fact, we give a water on every night and residents never need to move out guarantee on every project. Our track record speaks for itself. Every single occupied multifamily project we've ever done has been completed on time and on budget. That's the power of our multifamily one-stop repipe process. So, if you're considering a repipe in your occupied multifamily building, reach out and we'll help you with the next steps.